Here he goes. Good boy. Good boy. Here he goes. Oh my God. Woo. Look at that shot, bro.
Ooh, blew his fucking dome off.
Holy shit.
Fuck yeah, that was a good shot. Nice shot.
Wow. What a beautiful shot.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. These
dude.
6 shot, bro. Max.
Dude, you melted his head off.
Look at that shit.
It looks like you put him in the crusher. That's a beautiful
That's
shot.
funny.
Dude.
Thank you.
That's a good thing.
That's a
of meat
good.
right there.
I just blocked shooting the back, you know. Oh, bro, I heard him. I knew he was in here because I heard him.
I didn't
Max.
see him run far either. That's why
I got that on GoPro.
Oh yeah, you did. That was nice, dude.
Thank you. We're out here. I just blew this rabbit's whole head clean off.
That was good, dude. I knew he was
December
in that
3rd.
bush, man.
Max got him out of there. I shot him right at my feet, just about. Dude, I got it all on film.